I'm Kadir Basalu. I'm presenting my project HR Analytics dashboard using Power BI. The main object of this project is to analyze the employee data and identify the key factors influencing the employee attrition so that the organization can take data-driven decisions to improve the employee retentions. So I have used the two dashboards, which mainly focuses on multiple dimensions such as department, age group, job satisfaction, salary, and the job roles, and also provides both summary level insights and detailed employee level analysis too. So let's move on to the dashboards. So this is my HR Analytics dashboard. So first I will explain the HR Analytics dashboard, which is the main analytical component of this project. The top of the dashboard, I have taken the three key performance indicators. First one is the total employees, which will represent the total workforce. And second is the attrition rate, which tells the percentage of employees who left the organization. Third is the average salary, which gives the average monthly income of the organization. This immediately gives us a high level understanding of the organization. An attrition rate of 16.12% indicates that a moderate level of employee turnover, which requires attention towards it. Then moving on to the next, I have taken the attrition by department table. Here in this table, it showcases the attrition count and the attrition rate across the different departments. The research and the development department has the highest attrition rate, whereas the sales have also contributed significantly, but the human sources has comparatively lower attrition towards it. So this indicates that the technical and the sales related roles may have higher pressure or dissatisfaction from their job, leading to the more employees leaving from the organization. Next, moving on to the next, I have taken the three charts here: attrition count by age group, attrition count by job satisfaction, and attrition count by department. In attrition count by age group, this chart analyzes the attrition based on the age groups, where the employees aged from 30 to 40 and under 30 shows the higher attrition, whereas the employees above the 40 shows the lower attrition. So this whole graph suggests that the younger employees are more likely to switch the jobs, possibly due to the career growth opportunities or the job dissatisfaction. Then the second chart, attrition by the job satisfaction. This chart shows the relationship between job satisfaction and the attrition. Employees with low satisfaction levels have the higher attrition, whereas employees with the higher satisfaction tend to stay in the organization. This clearly indicates that this job satisfaction is one of the most critical factors influencing the employee retentions. And the third chart we have is attrition by department. This chart visually compares the attrition across the different departments. R&D and the sales department shows the higher attrition levels, whereas the HR department remains relatively stable. So this enforces the earlier observations and also helps in quick visual understanding for the decision makers. And I have taken the four different slicers here. First one is the gender, second is the department, third is the age group, and fourth one is the job role. These four slicers allows us to dynamically analyze the data. For example, we can check the attrition for only for the female candidates and that too in the department of the sales or employees under the age of 30, and they can be taken the job role as a sales representative or a sales executive. You can see that how many employees are there and what's the attrition rate of the female genders and what is the monthly average salary of the employees and what is the age groups, job satisfaction and department chart according to this slicer what I have choose and the department table too. From this HR analytics dashboard, we can derive the following insights like attrition rate is 16.12%, which is more significant. Younger employees are likely to leave. Low job satisfaction strongly increases the attrition. Departments like R&D and D and the sales require immediate attention towards it. So overall, these insights helps HR teams to take actions like improving the work environment, enhancing the employee engagement, reviving the compensation and the growth opportunities. Then moving on to next dashboard, that is employee dashboard. Now I will explain the employee dashboard, which will provide the detail and the record analysis of it. So at the top, same as the HR dashboard, I have taken the total employees, average salary and the attrition count of the employees. And I have taken the three filter panels like department, gender, age group, job role as same as the HR dashboard. And I have taken the employee table, which includes employee name, employee numbers, age, department, job role, their income, attrition rate, and also the images. This table is very useful for individual level analysis. So by this table, we can easily identify which employees have left the company, compare salaries across different roles, analyze which job roles have the higher attrition rate, understand the employee distribution in each department. So overall, it provides a granular view that supports the decision making at the micro levels. So in this employee dashboard, I can show you that from the male genders at the department of the sales under the age of 30, and the job role we can take as a sales executive, how many employees are there and what's the average salary is there and what's the attrition count. And you can also see in the table that who are the employees, what's their age, department, job role, monthly income, uh, as they are leaving the company or not, and according to their images also be considered here. So these can be used as a practical application, which can be helpful for the HR for employee monitoring, salary analysis, identifying the high risk employees, and also supporting the recruitment and the retention strategies. And also here that I have used the I have used some of the tax measures like attrition count, attrition rate, average salary, employee name, image URLs. And here, employee name and the image URL I have taken from the websites. And also the total employees that we have been included in the table as by using the new measures. Then in the conclusion, the HR dashboard helps in identifying the patterns and reasons behind why the employees are leaving the company. The employee dashboard provides detailed insights at individual levels. Togetherly, these two dashboards enables organization to reduce the attrition, improve the employee satisfaction, and make informed data-driven decisions. This project demonstrates the power of data analytics and visualization in solving the real world business problems.